Well, my name is Manoj Jain. I'm founder of Bitfia Labs. We have built very innovative cross-border payment rails. Currently, we are doing B2C. In future, we plan to do B2B. Well, merchants across the globe for their global commerce, they are looking for easy rails, means easy way of making sending payments or asking their customer to make payments. And the current system are traditional, archaic, and they take a lot of cost, a lot of money. So if we are able to build stablecoin B2B cross-border rails, which we are working on in future, we should be able to capture a 2 to 3, some part of 2 to 3 trillion dollar market which have recently opened up. Well, of course, we are company based in Singapore, partly in India. Tech team is in India, but we are looking for customers across, or merchants across the globe. So this is a platform which will help us launch ourselves into other countries, and uh, and of course the collaboration with other founders, learning from them will help us. Platform is very good, is good name, so it will give us good coverage. Well, I haven't seen Xtrify, but I think it is going to be a collaborative platform where learnings from other founders can be, you know, uh, can be imbibed, and we can also give whatever we have in our, because we also have customers in many countries. So I mean, it's a collaborative platform, and eventually it will help everyone. Yeah. Thank you.